of you have kids that push your buttons? Do you have kids that push your buttons? Okay, got it. Can you show me real quick where your buttons are? Not your belly button. Your button right there. Okay, I can kind of see it a little bit. Yeah, like we have kids. We create stories that kids push our buttons. In reality, we don't have buttons. What happens is we develop buttons that the kids push. Have you ever had a kid come up to you, or I see this, I used to do martial arts and yoga in preschools, and I would see these kids, and they go up to a teacher going, I don't love you. And then the teacher goes, oh, how are you? And then what happens is, I don't love you, I don't love you, I don't love you, I don't love you. And then all of a sudden it's like you literally put this button on your forehead and then you go like this, you better not push it. Yeah. Don't push, don't even look at my button, don't even do it. So we create buttons for kids to push. And when a child displays a behavior and then you get your angry face or whatever that you do, if you have a reaction, that's win-lose for the child. The kid wins because he got a response from you. You lose because you got upset. And then 20 minutes later, whenever that kid wants a response again, they do the same thing over and over. So for me, win-win is how to communicate with the child and how to have the kids communicate with you where everybody wins. Win-lose is the kid displays a behavior, I don't love you, and the teacher goes, ah! Win-win is, I don't love you. Well, I love you. What would you like to work on today? Maybe I can help you. And the kid's like, oh, that didn't work. Okay. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.